Okay, next, okay, we moved into the CRM packages tools. So these are the tools, okay, involved in CRM. So the first one, we have Salesforce automation. Okay, this is about how they want to make a sale. Okay, and then the customer service and also the marketing. So in the marketing, they have they know how to target the prospect customer. Okay, and then they do the tracking either by using the direct mailing or through email, and then cross-selling. Cross-selling contohnya, dia nak jual, dia nak jual macam, apa kita panggil, our breakfast cereal. So breakfast cereal, so you have to eat the breakfast cereal with the milk. So cross-selling maksudnya kalau you nak completekan benda tu, so you jual lah susu sekali. So itu kita panggil cross-selling. And then dia ada marketing of complementary product. Kadang-kadang kita bagi satu produk dan dia akan bagi satu complementary. Complementary tu macam contohnya, macam you beli satu, katalah kosmetik, you beli skincare, and then skincare tu dia bagi you macam trial for the mask, okay, face mask. So itu complementary. So di samping tu, kalau you rasa macam okay, nanti next time you maybe akan beli the mask. Okay, so itu kita panggil sebagai marketing of complementary products. Right. So in the CRM also, they have the operational CRM. So it is about the customer facing applications. So involved with the Salesforce automation, the call center, and also the customer service support. And they have the analytical CRM. So it based on the data warehouse. Okay. By operational CRM system. Okay. They based on this. And also the customer touch point. Okay, whatever yang customer macam tekan 1, tekan 2, tekan 3. Benda-benda macam tu lah. Kan? Okay, CRM ni lebih macam ni tau. Okay, let's say if you want to, you have a question, you call the Astro or you call to the telco company, you call to the bank. Siapa yang jawab? Machine. So itulah customer relationship management. Dia tak nak benda tu ringing lama, nobody will pick up the call. Okay, so you have somebody will assist you. Okay, so they will instruct you. So they will ask you to press the number. If you want to ask about this matter, you have to press 1. If you want to ask this matter, you have to press 2. This is about the CRM. Alright. And then they analyze the customer data. Okay, by using the OLAP and data mining, whatever data that will collect. Okay, they will collect maybe based on sales, maybe based on the marketing. So, dia akan buat data mining dekat situ. And customer lifetime value. Customer lifetime value ni macam contohnya, okay, you register sekali je. Tapi you boleh dapat all the complimentary, all the profit, all the benefit. Benda-benda macam tu. Right? So, ini contoh customer data warehouse. So, dia ada melalui channels, okay, ada sources, okay, and then kita based on kita punya analytical CRM, and dekat situ kita akan dapat profitable customer, the market segment, the customer profiles, or also the churn rates. Kita tengok apa the churn rate. So, what are the business value? First, increase the customer satisfaction. If your customer satisfied with your product and services, they will come to you again. Okay? So, reduce the direct marketing cost. So, tak perlulah nak macam, nak beli tak? Cubalah beli pen. No. So, kita akan buat cara marketing yang lain. Okay? More effective marketing. Number 4, lower cost for customer acquisition or retention. Customer yang macam, saya tak nak. Saya tak nak pakai. I don't want to continue with your services. Benda macam tu. Kita try nak decrease or eliminate when it happen and increase the sales revenue. So what is churn rate? Churn rate is number of customer who stop using or purchasing products or services from a company. Contohnya, you want to stop with the Astro line. Okay, you call to Astro and then you want to stop using or stop purchasing from the Astro line. Katalah you dah pakai My TV ke, you dah pakai even rumah you dah ada internet ke, so you tak perlulah pakai Astro, you dah ada Netflix semua kan. So apa yang berlaku adalah, so apa yang they try to offer, the company try to offer to you, they try to offer to you, okay, we will give you 3 months free of charge. Okay, there is no charges, okay, in your bills. So benda-benda macam sebab dia tak nak bila customer stop purchase daripada kita. Okay, so the indicator of growth or decline of firm's customer base pun akan berubah. So maknanya sepatutnya customer kita akan makin bertambah. Tapi bila kita ada churn rate happen, so the number of customer pun akan makin berkurangan. Dan macam benda tu akan jadi macam semakin meluas. Because of when one person try to stop purchase with your product, contohlah tak sedap makan dekat situ. Let's say for restaurant. Okay, tak sedap. Okay, based on the customer word. Okay. So, benda tu akan jadi macam kita kata sekarang lah, viral. So, benda macam ni. Tapi, kita tak bercakap macam tu sebagai CRM. Sebab CRM ni based on system. So, macam contohnya, macam like I said before, it's about the Astro. So, bila kita kata Astro, when Astro, I want to stop using Astro. So, dekat situ, dia punya indicator, okay, macam one customer. Okay, maybe per day, they will calculate how many customer how many customer call and want to stop using their system. How many customer try, or not to try, how many customer want to stop purchasing your product and services. So, they will calculate. Benda ni bukan small matter ya. Benda ni sangat bahaya sebab bila seorang, dia akan kira per daily, per hour. Okay, so this is about the churn rate. Okay, the churn rate. Okay, the next one is enterprise application challenges. So what are the challenges? Okay, when we want to use the enterprise application. So we have 6 challenges. Okay, first, highly expensive to purchase and implement enterprise applications, of course. Okay, because when you want to come out with the enterprise applications, okay, you want to purchase the applications into your organization and then you want to implement it. So, the cost might be expensive. Number 2, technology changes. Okay, when the technology change, you have to follow whatever the technology that we will use later. So, for example, in 2021, so the technology might change or might be better compared to previous year. Okay, and the business process also change. When the business process change, so the application you have to change. When the technology change, the enterprise application also you have to change. Alright. Organizational learning changes. So when they have the learning changes, so basically, okay, the organization will understand about the flowchart. So the flowchart will be A go to B, B go to C. So we learn about that matter. So this is the flow. But when we try to come up with the enterprise application, so the organization think that maybe we cannot have the one-way communication, so we can have two-way communication. So maybe process A and B can work together to go to the process C. So they will, when it happens, so you have to change the enterprise application. Number 5, switching cost dependence on software vendor. So it depends on your software. So if the software, for example, like from Microsoft Excel 2013, you want to change to Microsoft Excel 2019. Okay, because maybe the machines or the hardware cannot cope with the 2013. Okay, so you have to switch, change the software. So this is about the switching cost. And when you want to come up with the system in your organization, you cannot use the pirate software. You must have the original software that registered. Okay, registered. You buy that particular software. And number 6, data standardization, management, and cleansing. You have to standardize the data. You have to manage the data. You have to do the data cleansing. Data yang tak guna, kita kena buang. Okay, so kena ada buat audit trail. Kena ada data audit. Okay. Next generation application, enterprise applications. So we have the enterprise solutions or suites. So it make applications more flexible, web enabled, integrated with other systems. So they have the SOA standards. So SOA, apa ya, sekejap tak ingat lah. What is SOA? Okay, SOA stands for Service Oriented Architecture. So dia based on architecture of the apa servis you nak bagi. So kita kena design benda tu properly, yang make sure that whatever yang kita nak sampaikan tu sampai pada kita punya user. Okay, and then we can use the open source applications, on-demand solutions, cloud-based versions and functionality for mobile platform. Ini kebanyakan bank guna. Okay, so dia tengok macam on-demand macam mana. Alright, functionality for mobile platform. Kalau you tengok mapping to you dekat web-based dengan yang mobile, dia ada perbezaan sikit. Okay, ada perbezaan sikit lah. So they try to minimize the layout. Okay, and then we have the business intelligence. So we inclusion of business intelligence with enterprise applications. Kita masukkan business intelligence. So kita akan letakkan, kita akan buat flexible reporting, ad hoc analysis, what if scenario, digital dashboard and data visualization. So dekat sini lah kita dah start pakai, macam you all maybe dah belajar pasal VLOOKUP, pivot table. So benda-benda macam ni, ini adalah business intelligence yang kita boleh pakai lah. Selain kita guna Table U software, kita pakai any database software yang boleh, yang kita masukkan sebagai business intelligence, and of course in data mining. And then we have social CRM. Okay, social customer relationship management, they will incorporate the social networking technologies. Okay, so dia akan tengok social networking technologies macam mana, company social networks, monitor the social media activity, a social media analytics, and also manage the social and web-based campaign. Kita tengok dekat sini. Okay, so this is social CRM. So in a marketing, so maybe customer want conversation and engagement, not direct advertising. So dia lebih kepada macam contohnya, macam dia kata, berapa harga ni? Selalu kan in Instagram. So you kata PM. You rasa your customer nak PM you tak? Kalau dia berminat sangat, memang dia akan PM lah. Tapi apa yang berlaku? Sebab dia nak conversation. Dia nak you transparent dengan dia. Okay, kenapa nak PM? Apa benda nak sorok? Kan? And then 58% of businesses saw a drop in marketing cost by moving to social marketing. Okay, so to social marketing. So, tapi benda ni yang macam orang tak faham sebenarnya. Okay, orang tak faham. Sebab dia nak macam bila you ada conversation. Contoh kalau you put the price terus. So, dia orang akan tanya tak? Dia orang akan kata, boleh post tak? Ada stock tak? You akan jawab ya. Janganlah macam seminggu lepas tu baru jawab ya. This is about marketing. Okay, and then sales. Okay, the sales CRM is not a direct pathway to customer, but to potential customer. Kita kena tahu kita nak jual pada siapa sekarang ni. Tak kalau kita kata, okay, saya buat sale. Macam contohnya, kalau you nak jual, katalah jual minyak wangi, mestilah you tengok orang macam mana you nak jual minyak wangi. Okay, you nak jual baju, you tengoklah. Macam contohnya, you nak jual baju macam ala-ala K-pop, takkan you nak jual dekat orang yang macam, yang tak akan pakai benda-benda macam tu. So, you kena tahu your potential customer. Okay, service and support. Okay, customer expect brands to respond quickly using their preferred platform. Okay, 50% of 16 to 24 years old prefer to interact with customer service using social media. Dia tak suka kalau dia letak dekat website. Dia tak baca. Jadi, dia prefer kalau you guna social media. And customers share their experience with million online. 53% of Twitter users recommend companies in their tweet. Ni yang kita panggil sebagai viral. So, social CRM is important. Okay, it's important. Okay, so according to the case, siapa tah nama dia ni? Saya pun tak ingat dah. Okay, so I dapat ni from internet. Okay, business is a human enterprise, driven and determined by people. So when people say something, you have to make sure that you understand what are their demands and their needs. Alright, so we finished with topic 8. Thank you.